Welcome to our guide on how to make AI prompts and sell them on Etsy for up to 8,000 ringgit. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating unique artificial intelligence generated content and selling it on one of the world's largest online marketplaces. Before we begin, make sure you have access to an AI tool or software. There are several free and paid options available, so choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Now let's dive into how to create your first AI prompt. Start by brainstorming an idea for your AI-generated content. Think about what you're passionate about or what topics interest you most. It could be anything from stories and poems to digital art and even code snippets. Once you have an idea for your prompt, type it into your AI software and let it do its magic. You'll be amazed at how quickly and accurately it can generate unique content based on your input. Of course, not every piece will be perfect. Take some time to review the generated content and make any necessary adjustments or edits to ensure that it aligns with your vision. Once you're happy with your final product, it's time to get it ready for sale on Etsy.
Hey everyone, ready to turn your creativity into cash? Today I'm going to show you how to start selling on Etsy in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Etsy.com and sign up for a free account. Use your email, Google or Facebook to register. Easy, right? Now, click on Sell on Etsy at the top of the page. This is where the magic begins. Next, you'll need to set up your shop preferences. Choose your shop language, country and currency. Don't overthink it. You can change these later if needed. Click, save and continue. Now it's time to name your shop. Pick something unique but easy to remember. Remember, this is your brand. Got your perfect name? Great. Click save and continue. On to the fun part. Adding your first product. Click add a listing and let's get started. Upload clear, high-quality photos of your product. People shop with their eyes first, so make it count. Add a catchy title that includes keywords describing your item. It helps shoppers find you. Fill in the description with all the details about your product. Think about what you'd want to know if you were buying it. Next, set your price. Remember to factor in the cost of materials and your time. Don't undersell yourself. Finally, choose your shipping options. Decide if you want to offer free shipping or calculate it based on location. Once everything looks good, hit publish. And there you have it. You're officially an Etsy seller. Keep your shop updated, engage with your customers and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching and happy selling. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.
Finally, set your price. With the growing demand for AI-generated content, there's potential to sell your prompts for up to 8,000 ringgit. Just remember to take into account any fees associated with selling on Etsy. And that's it. Once you've made a sale, package up your prompt securely and send it off to your happy customer. Keep creating new prompts and expanding your inventory to increase your chances of success on Etsy. Thank you for joining us in this guide on how to make AI prompts and sell them on Etsy for up to 8,000 ringgit. Keep exploring, creating, and most importantly, have fun. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with a fellow friend who could benefit from it. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into how to maximize your income with AI. Don't miss it.